Hi everyone, my name is Jomari Piglusion from UMS 12 Masikap, and let's talk about important to evaluate the credibility of the information you see in online. You see, not everything we find on the internet is true. Anyone can post anything, with or without proof. Some people spread fake news to get attention, likes or shares. Others do it mislead or manipulate people for personal, political, or even financial gain. That's why we as responsible users of the media and information need to be careful. We must ask, is this information coming from a trusted and reliable source? Is it supported by facts or evidence? Does it come from experts or official organizations? Because if we believe everything we read without checking, we might end up spreading lies even if we don't mean to. And that can cause real harm. It can ruin someone's reputation, cause panic, influence wrong decisions, or even damage communities. Being media and information literate means being smart, cautious, and responsible. It's not enough to just read and share. We need to think, analyze, and ask questions. In short, we need to verify. So, the next time you see something online, whether it's news, a post, a videos, or a memes, pause for a second. Don't just ask if it's interesting or viral. Ask if it's true. Because in today's world, where information spread past the truth matters more than ever, and it's up to us to protect it. That's all, and thank you for watching.